Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get help using Android emergency feature. So let's get started. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you have to scroll your screen until you find advanced feature. And this is the advanced features option, so just tap on it. And if you want to get help using Android emergency feature, we can activate this option or this feature. We can activate the send SOS messages. So just click on this toggle button to activate it, and then you can add contacts that you want to send your messages to if you are in emergency situation, and you can choose either you want to create contact or you want to select from contacts. So I'm just going to create contact, then click the name of the contact. For example, I'm going to add my dad like this, and the number phone. And after we're done creating the contact, we can click on save right here. Okay, and we can go back to the previous section. Okay guys, and if you are in emergency situation, you can press the power key. You can choose either 3 times or 4 times, and I'm just going to click on 3 times. And right after you press the power key 3 times, the emergency messages will be automatically sent to the contact that you have added right here. Okay guys, and that's how we can get help using Android emergency feature. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.